Hi again. This is part 2, and I'm gonna tell you a story. Okay, there was a little girl in the great shiny night, the great shiny day, which is a nicest place to live, and until the sun gets down. The sun gets away from us, and it turned rainy and stormy, and lightnings and power cuts and earthquakes all around the place. And until the scariest thing in the world happened. The little girl was so afraid. He was sleeping on the bed. But until he gets scary. He gets scary and very scary until the roll and the bed gets slanted. It was getting slanted. It's getting slanted. And when it's slanted, he almost fell out of his bed and turned into cardboard. And the scariest thing happening in the world right now. There was the flick-quicks. And the scariest things happen in the world. The mummy. The little children, it was a girl. It was a child from the mummy. He tried to run away he was trying to find his mummy. Look at my fingers. He tried to look for his mummy until she was in the kitchen. He thought she was a real one, and after that saw her, he just accidentally turned into a goblin monster, and until he almost bites. He almost bites. He ran away before he bited. And that was the mummy. And he's gonna find his father. He was in his bedroom, laying on the bed, but he was upside down. He didn't know that there was a spooky thing. The father turned into mummy. A mummy! And there was a mummy. Until the most scariest thing in the world happened. There's someone else just turned into zombies. The greeny, gooey thing was on the road, guys. That somebody was scared, and only one girl was safe. He was trying to escape from this gooey, scary world. And until she quiet down. Simply quiet down. And until his hands get bleeding. He gets all the way to his body, and his legs, and her hair, and everywhere of his body. Until he turned into a mummy ghost. He just quietly down. And the one girl was so afraid, he just ran away. And the little girl. He was so afraid. He just bent down and he saw a mummy and she ran away and ran away and ran away until he was a sunny day, a bright day, a shiny day again. And that was a happy ending. The end. Bye.
That's